వీడియో అయితే నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఉండబోతుంది. మనం చాలా ఆఫ్ రోడింగ్ చేసాం కదా, ఈసారి మన జిమ్నీతో కాదు చేసేది. కాకపోతే యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు కదా హైలెక్స్. యాక్చువల్గా నేను హైలెక్స్ ఈవెంట్కి వచ్చాను అనమాట. మనం డ్రైవ్ చేసిన వెహికల్ వచ్చేసి ట్రాక్ అంతా స్లష్ ఉంది బాగా వర్షం వల్ల. ట్రాక్ డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా నేను మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను, లొకేషన్ కూడా షేర్ చేస్తాను. మంత్లీ ట్వైస్ జరిగిద్దంట ఇది. టయోటా వాళ్ళే ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Is basically the power going to the rear wheel. The car drives like a normal two-wheel drive car. Then comes H4, so the center diff gets locked. आपको वहाँ light आएगी. So this means the center diff is locked and the power is getting distributed 50-50 to both the sides, the front and the back. So shift to neutral, and this is L4. So this is low range. 4 low, आपको वहाँ light आएगी. So basically low range limits your speed and gives you a lot of torque. So you get a lot of power at a very slow speed. तब आपने कोई लेफ्ट का सबसे सीधी
to be bit left or
no straight जाने अब पूरी लेफ्ट थोड़ा ब्रेक पे जाना हल्की.
it is fine or like
yeah.
okay.
No, it's slushy. The car will slide.
Right?
तो वैसे सीधी जा रही है. The
yeah.
angle was a little off. This is to showcase the suspension. थोड़ा सा right काटो. नहीं, now left. Right. So one on the ground, one on the top. झटका. This is the traction control kicking in.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
That's like company provides or
these are dealership cars.
You want me to keep the steering straight?
Yeah, steering straight.
Another articulation.
छोड़ दो ब्रेक, छोड़ दो. अब सही है, सही लाइन पे हो. स्टीयरिंग स्ट्रेट है.
हाँ. ब्रेक भी नहीं डालना.
ब्लॉक हो गया. हल्का सा एक्सीलेटर, आपको झटका नहीं फील होगा. राइट स्टीयरिंग राइट. अब सीधा.
Okay. No need to brake, right?
इधर लगा क्या वो
जैसे एंड में थोड़ी सी स्लाइड हो रही है बट इतनी नहीं हो रही. इफ यू कीप द लाइन स्ट्रेट, सही लाइन पर हो तो सही जा रही है. राइट
हाँ.
चलो राइट
सीधे रखना है.
राइट, थोड़ा राइट करो. हाँ अब लेफ्ट.
झटका दे रहे
This is क्योंकि differential lockers नहीं on है. यहाँ पे अगर differential locker on कर रहा है ना, because of the slush, the car is sliding down. क्योंकि slush है. If it's sandy या if you switch on the differential locker आपको झटका नहीं फील होगा. ये बड़े वाला है.
ये बड़े वाला है.
चलो
सेम
thing. Right. आपको झटका नहीं फील हुआ. एक्सीलरेशन झटका नहीं फील हुआ एक्सीलरेशन वाला. चलो we'll go to the cone now.
फोन को और फोन बना रहे हैं.
The correct place is here, Rishta. Great.
Hello, we are at the Hilux Toyota, which is organized by Precision Territory. You guys should visit this place even if you are just trying your own vehicle out. Today we are here specifically for Hilux. You can see the car behind. I'm sure you guys had a chance to go through it too.
And actually they are conducting twice I think, so I'm not sure about that. Like
the first weekend and the last weekend.
Thank you.